desperate to adopt baby twins. The biological parents not sure they can bear to part with them. The baby weighs at 8 tonight, followed by a double bill ticking all the boxes in Storage Wars Texas at 9.